Hey guys, it's Missy. So I'm going to teach you how to use our class website and how to click on the links. So this is the class website, as you see. These are your assignments for day one. So what you're going to do is you're going to see how you just hover over that. You're going to click that link and it's automatically going to play that video for you on the next page. Give my computer just a minute. It's going to slow down just a little bit. Okay, so the video should play automatically. My internet is just a little slow. I apologize. Okay, so that's the video content. So then you're going to click backspace page. Okay, so on one of your assignments, well, quite a few of them, that's going to say template. So you're going to click on it, just like we did with the other videos. It's going to open up just like this. Again, my apologies, my computer's internet is running a little slow. So you're going to have your template show up just like this. So once that does that, you're going to go insert. And it's going to ask you to insert text. I'm sorry, you're going to go to format and then you're going to do text. Oh, just kidding, guys. The outline is unnecessary. So we're just going to go here. So once it opens up, you're going to go here and you can start automatically typing into the document. Self-see, and then you just double click, go to the next thing, and go to the next box. Once you're done, you're going to go here, File, Download, and then you're going to click this very first option here. And it's automatically going to. Alright guys, that is how you edit a template in our assignment.